There's a reason why eBay is one of the best places to shop online. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 things to buy on eBay that are going to save you a lot of money. Now I've bought and sold a lot of stuff on eBay, so I'll tell you straight up that this list comes from my own personal shopping experience with them, and it will save you money. Now, if you just found this channel, I'm Jason with Honest Finance, and I make a lot of videos that'll give your life and your finances more value. So feel free to subscribe if you feel like doing that, or at least give this video a like. And now onto this list from eBay. Now, the first thing I want to talk about on the list is what I like to call kit items. These are basically items that are sold individually rather than a kit like they normally come in. Let's say that you already have a power drill at home and all you need is a new battery for it, but you don't want to go to Home Depot because the batteries are pretty expensive. Well, I guarantee you that somebody out there has already bought a kit and they're going to be selling that battery on eBay for a better price than what you can get at Home Depot. And on the flip side, if you're looking into buying something, I would recommend buying it as a kit and then selling those items individually on eBay because you're going to end up saving more money as well. It's a win-win for everybody because the guy that's selling the battery probably didn't need it and that's why it's on sale on eBay, and now you can snag the battery for a better price and it's new as well. Now, if you're buying kit items, they're generally not going to come with a warranty, but that doesn't really matter because you're getting them at such a better price. So the next time you need some random accessory that generally comes in a kit, be sure to check out eBay first because you're probably going to find a much better value. Next on the list is overstock items, which I know is obvious, but let me just give you some examples so that this makes sense. So let's pretend that there's a bike shop in the middle of Kentucky and they've got all of these different helmets that they weren't able to sell during the biking season. Now, if they really want to sell those helmets, then they're going to hop on eBay and they're going to list the helmets at a much better price, and then you can come in and get a much better deal because they're just cutting their losses. So instead of going to the big retailers to try and find that stuff, just hop on eBay and try to look for small sellers that are trying to sell their overstock items. I've done this with a ton of stuff like ski goggles, camelbacks, and all sorts of things that you would find in a small little hobby shop. I mean, check out these Oakley sunglasses that I got for more than half off, all because they come with this stupid folding thing that nobody seemed to want. Now, these were the style that I wanted anyway, but because I checked on eBay, I found that they had the F version that was overstocked, and then I got them for a lot cheaper than the regular version, all because nobody wanted them. And I'd assume that F just means folding, which I didn't really care about anyway. So just think about all the tiny little shops out there that are trying to sell their overstock items, and if they're smart, they're going to be on eBay, and you're going to be able to find that kind of stuff and get a much better value. Now, next on my list are gift cards, and these are some of the best deals that you can get on eBay. Now, if you've made it this far into the video, could you please just comment down below and say I'm still here, because that's going to help me out tremendously. Thanks. Now, I know that we've all gotten gift cards before that you don't really want, but that's the kind of stuff that's actually sold on eBay, so it's a good thing for you if you're looking for a gift card. And that's all because those people just want to get rid of the gift cards, but they're going to be selling them at a better price than the retail amount of the gift card. So typically you're going to see gift cards that are about 10 to 30% off their face value, which is excellent. And I guarantee you that if you just hop on eBay, you're going to find gift cards for almost every single retail store that you're looking for. So as an example, if you want to buy a new TV from Best Buy, then go on eBay first, buy a gift card, and then go buy your TV because it's going to be a better price overall. Now, next on my list are OEM car parts from eBay. So if you've got an accessory that you want for your car, or if you've got something that you need fixed, then I would highly recommend going to eBay before you go to the dealership and get ripped off. I mean, seriously, there's so much inventory for car parts on eBay that you're gonna find what you're looking for. I mean, I sold the running boards on my truck on eBay because I didn't want them anymore, and they sold really easy. There is a huge demand for third-party and OEM car parts, so if you need something like that, then I would highly recommend checking out eBay first because they're probably going to have the best deal. Now, next on my list are coupons, which I never thought twice would ever be on eBay, but they are. Like, for instance, have you ever gotten a 10% off your entire purchase coupon from Home Depot in the mail, but it just wasn't the right timing for the coupon? Well, instead of just throwing the coupon away, there are people that actually sell those coupons on eBay. So seriously, if you were going to buy something really expensive from Home Depot, then wouldn't you rather have a coupon to get 10% off just because you went onto eBay and paid a little bit for the coupon? They've even got e-coupons that'll go straight into your email, and those are freaking sweet because you don't have to pay for shipping and you don't have to wait for them in the mail. I've bought them before and I know they work because all I had to do was just take the code from the email and then plug it in online, and I instantly got the discount. And if you really want to get the best deal possible, then I'd buy a coupon on eBay and I'd buy a gift card. That way you can double down and get the best price possible. Now, just for kicks, I want to add a bonus item to this list, which are called open box items. Now, let's say you buy a fancy stereo and there's nothing wrong with it, but you just don't like it, so you return it. Well, some of these types of returns can't actually be restocked because you would have messed up the packaging or something like that. And because these returns can't be restocked, they're going to end up on eBay as an open box item, and a lot of the time they're in really new condition. So just check the descriptions on eBay because they're going to give you the best idea of the condition that the open box item's in. Now, once again, I'm Jason with Honest Finance, and I make a lot of videos that'll give your life and your finances more value. So feel free to subscribe if you feel like it, or at least give this video a like. That's all.